Gas is essential in any household. People tend to buy things through the online platform because it is much easier. So in this case, there are no option for people to buy gas through online platform, in which people need to look for gases at their nearby store. Therefore, we invented an application that allows consumers to buy gas online and solve their problems within their fingertips. Furthermore, the government urged people to reduce physical contact in this COVID-19 situation. In addition, the user can select any brand of gas from their local retailer, subject to stock availability. So we think this can solve and be the main solution to our problem in our daily life.
For the problem statement, the first one is regarding the busy lifestyle and inability to predict the need of new gas tank, as the lifespan of each gas tank varies according to its users. The second problem statement is regarding the availability of the service provided by the convenience store. It's not always obvious to the public unless you are the local in that area. The third problem statement, it is time consuming and inconvenient to travel just to get the new gas tank by ourselves.
Next is the objectives of our product. So about our Mygas, we aim to become an established and well-known company that provides gas delivery service on application with branches all over the country. Our mission is to ensure that our customers are completely satisfied with our service by devoting our full attention to the service we provide. This business is open because we understand how customers require gas delivery services, particularly when they have difficulty locating a gas tank by going from one store to another. As a result, we are taking steps to bring gas supply services to them in order for them to save time and cost on finding available gas tank at the store. Aside from that, we expect this business to expand because gas tanks are used daily, especially in the home, and anybody may benefit from this service, as well as to help the small business owner in gaining extra profit.
Next is novelty. Mygas is developed to facilitate household or small business owners all around Malaysia to look for gas tanks nearby their location. This mobile application will help all household or small business owners fulfill their needs, especially regarding gas tanks. For Mygas features, this app will display all of the available gas brands nearby, allowing users to select their preferred brand. Our app provides all range of products so that the users can choose the brand they prefer based on availability in the area. In addition, the users need to turn on the location to make sure the location is accurate. Type of gas offered is LPG 14 kg or 12 kg cylinder and LPG 40 kg or 12 kg with cylinder deposit in order to purchase the cylinder. Price offered based on current market price has been determined by the Ministry of Domestic Trade and Consumer Affairs, whereas the delivery charge is fixed according to the weight of the gas. Price offered in the app for 14 kg 26 ringgit, 12 kg 22 ringgit 80 cent, and delivery fees 3 ringgit. Next, for e-wallet and rewards. Users can choose the method of payment they prefer before proceeding with the checkout session. For e-wallet, each purchase may contribute points and they can claim the rewards through the app and receive other benefits from the app.
Benefit to user of Mygas. First, user can check whether their nearby store has the availability of stock. User doesn't need to visit or survey physically to their nearby store to check the availability of gas. It's much easier as they can use their gadget to buy gas. Second, user can buy and make payment through the application, e-wallet and online payment. Nowadays, people tend to use online payment or other platform such as e-wallet as it's more convenient. The transaction only need a minute for user to get Mygas. Next, user can have a conversation with the vendor if user have question or difficulties. Mygas provide a platform where customer and seller can chat if there any problem or inquiry about the product. Benefit of Mygas apps to society. First, customer can save their time and effort from going to the physical store to look for a gas. Customer will save their time because from buy the product to delivery all are taken care by Mygas. Customer just sit and wait the delivery to their doorstep. Next, the gas price are based on the current market price determined by the Ministry of Domestic Trade, which can prevent fraud. Users can check the gas prices whether it is over the ceiling prices set by the Ministry of Domestic Trade or reasonable in the market, so it can prevent fraud in dealing to buy the gas.
So here is my gas application interface. This will be the front menu of the application. Users just need to click fast order to proceed with order. Then, here are the first step which the users can fill in their information and details. Next, it is where the users may choose the type of gas tank they like, such as Petronas, Gas, BHP, Industry, Petron, and Shell Gas. For the next step, this is where the users can make their delivery location for the gas tank. Whereas for the payment method, there are 3 types of payment method they can choose, which is either e-wallet, online transfer, and cash on delivery. And lastly, the users may have a conversation with the vendor itself if they are having a difficulties.
I would like to explain about the commercialization potential. Mygas is a consumer-only app that aims mostly toward homeowners and small business owners. So this application might be marketed to busy working individuals who don't have enough time or forget to buy the petrol or gas. So as example, we have incorporated these applications like a GrabFood to the name of My Gas applications, where the customer may select any gas they want and pay for it. So at the end, we will deliver the gas to their home. So as a result, users' time will not be wasted in looking for the gas availability at each location. So aside from that, small business owners also can take advantage and make the profit from this program. Unlike before, all the gas was manually purchased would be charged more and we do not have a fixed delivery rate. But the problem was corrected after utilizing these applications. So, at the applications, the delivery charges will be the same as what is seen in my gas, and the result in the small business owners will show a good performance and increase in earnings. Also, their expenses also will be decreased as result of employing this application.
So, in conclusion, Mygas can provide more benefits and privilege to its beloved customer. Ensuring the satisfaction of customers is our top priority, and they will not be disappointed with our services. Furthermore, we aim to make people's daily life easier and serve the best quality of our services. In addition, the Mygas application design is user-friendly and easy to use anytime. We believe that people will spend less time stressing over this trivial matter by using our services. And that is all from our group. Thank you.